Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Actually, no, just encourage you. Just make you feel good. That's what we're doing because this series is called For the Love.
For the love.
For the love of variety. That's the topic on the table today.
It's about encouraging you. It's about making you want to go to work today. Because it's Friday.
If you're like,
you just want to be on Saturday.
Yeah.
That's all you want to do today.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go home at 2.
You do.
Or better yet, lunch.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do.
Going home at lunch is pretty sick.
It is pretty sweet.
It's pretty great.
I know a few companies that just do that, which is cool.
Yeah.
Which there are a variety of ways that people work. Bring us back on point. All right.
Nice. Okay.
So, construction, you said it, never a dull moment.
Never a dull moment. That is
it throws a lot of variety at you. And you think about, like, some people are stuck in a cubicle just filling out TPS reports all day, man. And you're not doing that.
No.
No. They're just filling out meeting agendas and filling out Excel files. And their job's about to be taken over by AI.
It's true. No, but what you're dealing with is safety hazards. You're dealing with people who put fire extinguishers on office chairs and they try to use them as jet engines. That's the kind of stuff that, like, you get to see crap like that.
You get to deal.
You are blessed, my good friend.
Have you seen the one with the guy riding the jackhammer?
Yeah, I've seen that one.
It wasn't a jackhammer. It was a tamper. It was a tamper.
It was a tamper. Okay, no. Okay, so there was what is his name? He's the dude that just like sits there and reacts. He's like sipping his cup of coffee. And he's
the blue sweater guy.
Yeah, the blue sweater guy.
Yeah.
Sure. We'll find it. And we'll put it in the show notes.
People are copycatting that, but I mean, yeah, it's amazing. You get to go and deal with that all day. You never know.
Come on, guys.
What you might get. And hey, honorable mention here.
Definitely.
Hazing the new guy. What other industry encourages the hazing of new people? We're not encouraging that in any way.
No.
We shouldn't.
We should be serious.
That's bad. We should not do that. You should not tell the new guy that he has to fill the water fountain up. Shout out to you, Will Parker. Man, learned that one. It was epic. Dude.
No.
So many cool things.
But not hazing the new guy. That's not cool. And you should definitely not tell them to go find the beam stretcher or anything like that. No.
Dude, we did a post on that and it was pretty fun seeing how many varieties of ways people have figured out how to haze the new guys. But alas.
We are very creative in our industry. I'm not talking about the architects. I'm just talking about, us in construction. Dude, we're a creative industry.
When you have that much time. A lot
of different ways of doing things.
When you have that much time for people that are working with their hands, for their minds to wander, it's like,
I wonder
if I could, and peril ensues.
Eventually the intrusive thought, you get won over and you're like, all right, I have to give this a shot.
Yeah. Nonetheless, hey, we're moving around. We're going to different job sites. We're building different things.
Yeah.
There's a new challenge on every job. There's maybe, there's a new set of drawings. There's a new spec, a thing you've got to do, the new way that you got to do it, a new safety requirement you got to adhere to, some new security measure that you got to get through. I mean,
there's a new architect. There's a new engineer.
So
there's a new owner.
Pretty fun to just be in an industry that kind of moves around. And I will say that is one of the things that, I got Nate Patton on the phone with Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Talking some surveying.
Yeah.
And that was one of the things he said, man, you get to go and you're in different places. One day you might be surveying the bottom of a lake and the next you might be out on an old logging road or something, but you move around. So thought it was a cool point.
Yeah.
And definitely one of the things that we love about what we do.
Heck yeah.
Doesn't get boring.
No.
So hang in there today.
Yes.
Hang in there.
Yes.
At least to lunch. At least to lunch.
You can make it to lunch.
Yeah.
We
be
believe
productive to lunch and go home. You get my permission. Just tell the boss. Tell the boss.
If you get fired because of what Eddie told you to do, we cannot be held responsible.
I did not say a word. Maybe don't do that. Don't do that.
Fall in line. Yeah.
Work a good day.
Stay in the foxhole, everybody.
Just remember, it's a lot of fun out there. And this is our best.
Go build
best
something
crack
awesome.
at making
Okay,
money.
just just go build something awesome.
That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shut it down.
All right. Bye.
We're done.
Here we go.
Bye.
See ya.